How are you? Today we are going to see some very beautiful lehengas which have just arrived for this festive season. Let's start with this amazing red lehenga. This lehenga comes with a buff skirt. It has a 4-layer skirt to give it a nice buffy look. You have this complete embroidery here with stones around the neck, around the body, in the skirt. It has a complete shining stone look. Coming to the price of this lehenga, the price of this lehenga is only rupees 2450. Yes, only rupees 2450. And the sizes available in this are L and XL. Wow, L and XL size available in this lehenga. Wow. Coming to the next pink lehenga. Look at this beautiful lehenga. It comes with a skirt, a complete printed skirt. The skirt is a Georgette skirt. It has a 3-layer inside to give it a little buffy look. It looks very classy and sober. Very nice design. A very good design for a nice party. The top has this neck layer, the neck work. And you also have the work around the waist. A zip is given at the side. You can wear it very easily. The dupatta has a small sequin work, the complete sequence in the whole dupatta. Gives it a nice designer look to the piece. This material is a silk cotton material. The material of this is a silk cotton. Coming to the price of this beautiful, amazing lehenga, this costs only rupees 3675 and available in size L. Wow. The next design we are going to see is a very exciting lehenga sharara model. Yes, it's a 2-in-1 model. Let's check it out. So this choli lehenga comes with a long top. You can see this top extends up to the knee. It stands above the knee. This is a sharara model top. It comes up to the knee, and below you have a skirt. A skirt comes with a skirt. It has a complete jari work with stones. Very nice jari work with beautiful shining stones all round the dress. A nice grand dress. The price of this dress is only rupees 3350. The price is only rupees 3350, available in L size. The design also extends to the back also. This design, you can see the net design is also at the back. It has sleeves. It comes with sleeves. Wow, the next design we are going to see is a very exclusive designer model. It comes with a fancy dupatta also. Let's check it out. Let me show you the dupatta. Wow, see how to wear the dupatta. This is a fancy dupatta. See, this dupatta is an attached. It's a nice U dupatta. Let me show this to you. It's a fancy dupatta, as you can see here. You have to just wear it over the dress. You have to just wear it over the dress. Just like how they wear the medal for the beauty queen in a pageant. See, you have to just wear it over this. See, this extends completely to the down. It also goes at the back. So this gives a very nice classic look to the dress. It has this nice jari work around the neck with some stones. This is made up of silk fabric material. This is a silk fabric material. Even the skirt is a silk cotton. Even the skirt is a silk cotton material. So the price of this is only rupees 3495. Yes, only rupees 3495 for this beautiful lehenga choli. Wow, the next beautiful lehenga we are going to see is my favorite lehenga. I just love this piece. Let's check this out. Wow, look at the skirt. It comes with the layers. The complete layer skirt. Looks so beautiful. A glittering, shimmering top with a layer skirt. Around the waist, you have this shimmering design carried forward from the top. You have this fancy design attached to the top, and the top is a complete shimmer. Wow, what a masterpiece this is. A very nice designer piece. This comes only in one color, available in size L. The price of this is only rupees 2275 only. So reasonable. Amazing fashion at great prices. Only rupees 2275. This design goes completely at the back also. This amazing beautiful lehenga is only rupees 2275 only. The next choli we are going to see is a beautiful cross and a side cutting choli. The top choli is a silk cotton fabric. It's a silk cotton fabric. It has a cut over here, and on the side you can see the cut. The work extends on the side. It goes up to the, you have a cutting here. This cut also goes to the side. So this is a fancy cut model, and the side it is short and the front it is long. It has a cut here. So the price of this designer choli is only rupees 4025. Only rupees 4025. It also has sleeves attached. So coming to the next masterpiece. I call it a masterpiece because this is a very beautiful choli. Wow, look at this frock. This skirt reminds you of a frock. Yes, this skirt has a lovely floral kind of a design. See, these are beads. This is not a print. These are small beads. These are gold beads, and the fabric of the skirt, this is a velvet fabric. It has a complete design all around the skirt. Top of this lehenga. It's a very beautiful designer top. You have this nice floral work here. The thread work is all around the neck, and you have the stones, give it a nice classy look. You have the lovely sequins, and to complete the top you have these lovely dancing beads. Wow, a very beautiful lehenga. Looks very pretty. So coming to the price of this lehenga. The price of this lehenga is only rupees 2975 only. It's only rupees 2975. It's available in sizes L and XL. Available in sizes L and XL. The design of the top extends to the back also. You have a complete back design of the sequence with a net on the top. This also comes with sleeves.